Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. The product creators for this product is Yu Sean and Callie Lee. Now, they've done it again. Yu and Callie are the creators of this product. As I mentioned, they are creators of numerous personal development training products that I can vouch for. Their products are always sought after, and I'm sure Beyond Limits PLR will follow suit. Now, in a nutshell, Beyond Limits PLR is all about getting back up after life's unexpected blows knock us down. Now, you'll find out how to turn adversities into advantages with the right mindset and an unwavering determination. Now, this is a well-developed PLR product. Now, who could benefit from Bounce Beyond Limits? Well, anyone who wants to rise above adversity and turn setbacks into comebacks, or who seeks a blueprint that demystifies the process of rebounding from difficulties, or desires to strengthen their resolve and build grit and bounce back with a newfound purpose, or is willing to take their challenges and turn them into success and self-discovery, or who wants to turn obstacles into opportunities. Now, Bounce Beyond Limits PLR includes a premium quality ebook, a complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, a high converting sales page, a video sales letter, an exclusive lead magnet, a professional landing page, follow-up emails, stunning graphics, and a license certificates, plus over $1,200 worth of fast action bonuses. Now the sales funnel goes like this. The front end is a very reasonable investment of $13.95. And then there are 4 OTOs. Number 1, a PLR Bounce Beyond Limits product plus mega bonuses for $47. OTO 2 is a self-help PLR bundle special, version 2, and it goes for $97. And OTO 3 is a done-for-you premium for $147, and OTO 4 is a PLR membership gold for $297. Now, watch for the downsells. You will save money, but you will also get less product. You want to know more? Well, click the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below. Now that's $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And my own 4 bonuses include how to supercharge your online empire and access to free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, and how to gain reoccurring income online with great ease, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps at the same time, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Thank you for watching. Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.